Today, we're diving into some important financial information straight from the Bank of Canada. So let's get into it. So the Bank of Canada has decided to maintain its target for the overnight rate at 5%. The bank is continuing its policy of what they call quantitative tightening, but what does this mean for us? Globally, we're seeing an economic slowdown. The bank predicts that the global GDP growth of 2.9% this year, dropping to 2.3% in 2024 and slightly rise to 2.6% in 2025. Interestingly, the US economy is doing better than anticipated, but on the flip side, China's economy isn't quite hitting those previous expectations. Over in the euro areas, things are slowing down even more. Inflation is seeing some ease, but in most economies, but oil is up and the ongoing war in Israel and Gaza adds a layer of uncertainty. Now, what about us here in Canada? There's a sense that previous interest rate hikes are putting the brakes on our economic activity. From our shopping habits to the housing market, things are a bit subdued. Add to that, growth in population is making the job market interesting. Job gains haven't been keeping up with the number of people entering the workforce, but wages, they're still under pressure. Looking forward, the bank anticipates our economy growth at 1.2% this year, slightly lower at 0.9% in 2024. But expects a promising rebound to 2.5% in 2020. The big talker is inflation. It's been a roller coaster ride. We saw it at 2.8% in June, shot up to 4% in August, and then settled back down at 3.8% in September. The bank predicts that by mid-2025, inflation will gradually settle down to about the 2% mark, which is what their target is. However, they're keeping a close eye on things, and they've hinted that they might rise the policy rate further if necessary. The bank predicts that by mid-2025, inflation will gradually settle down to its 2%. However, they're keeping a close eye, and they've hinted that they may raise rates further if necessary. The end goal is to restore price stability for all of us. So keep an eye out. The next announcement for the overnight rate is December 6th of this year. And if you're looking for the full economic and inflation outlook, mark January 24th, 2024 in your calendar for the bank's next monetary policy report. Well, that's a wrap on today's financial update. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more information insight, and take care and stay informed.